Okay, so I thought today I would see what's going on and how things kind of work with the tool, and let's get a little closer here. Got a little tool, pops out. Okay. And see what everything looks like in here. Thought I'd check it out. Yep, thought I'd give it a little tool. Goes right there. So I think I'll take a little time today and just see how things look under here. Just how all this works. I'm right at about 8 or 9 hours, and it started to be interesting just to look at, see how things are wearing, how the belt's set up, and if grass is collecting under there. I blow it out every time I use it there, and I see a little. Okay, see a little collection there, but not much. So and these pulley covers, they have pretty good size holes there, so if you blow up in there, it should be able to come out. The last thing you want to do is let that grass build up in there. So just thought I'd look and see exactly what's going on with that. Yep, just taking a little time to just kind of see how things work here. And the gas, there's not a, unless I don't know, but well, I guess you could see the gas tank from that area. I never really took time to look. I've always just lifted the seat up to see, but I guess you could do that. You can't really see the top of it, but you can tell if it's a little half or maybe 3/4, and that's good enough, I guess. Yeah, I'm just taking a little time out to just look at things. Change the oil, and for the break-in a couple of days ago, and I'm enjoying the zero-turn experience. That's one of the backups there. It's good to me. I think I'm gonna take that out today. I only have 1 yard, so I'm gonna give the John Deere a little work today. But yeah, so far I'm enjoying the ZT1 42. As I've said before, it's plenty enough speed for me, guys, and for the yards, the amount of yards that I do, it works fine. I'm only at a couple of yards a day. I work by myself, so nobody really abusing the equipment but me if it gets abused. And just wanted to see what the zero turn experience was all about. And I must say, everyone who said it didn't exaggerate. It's a game changer. I'm enjoying it thus far. The 42 really is a big advantage for me. Anything any larger would prohibit me from using it in front as well as back. Several gates I can just squeeze through, put the chute up, and I can get through them and go to work. So in a way, I'm glad for that. I could see the need if I was to add another more for maybe a 50. But I'm not at that point in life that I'm really trying to grow my business. I'm just trying to do my business more efficiently. I really can't take on too much more solo. Don't want to. I do this, because I enjoy it. I enjoy doing it. It keeps me active, keeps me doing things outside, which I really enjoy. And some of the customers I've had since I started this out with my son, that's how I got involved in this. And I enjoy the relationship we've established with one another. So as long as I can do it, I plan to do it. And word of mouth, I tell you, word of mouth really works. I can remember, starting out, and I would be looking for jobs. And now the jobs find me after a couple of years. So you do a good job, stay at it, use what you got till you get what you want. And it's not bad at all. So, yeah, I'm retired, so I can pretty much work at my own pace. And that's what I intend to do from here on out. And this helps. This really helps. And it's fun to drive, I guess I had mastered the tractor world. So, a little slight learning curve, but I'm enjoying it. Okay, now I'm gonna, guess I'll clean that out. And then jack it up and see what the blades look like up under there. But, okay, that's good. Okay, I blew it out a bit there. Took a little horsehair brush there and got up in there and cleaned it out. So put it back. I guess I could clean that plate off a little there. Yeah. Clean that up before I put it back on. All right. Have a good one, guys. Okay, let's see what the old John Deere do here. If she'll fire up, see if we can use her for the day. All right. Come on, baby. Just that. Got the command, the 17.5 Kohler command. And can you believe this engine has over 900 hours on it? Let's see what's up. fired up pretty good. And I guess we'll take Old Faithful here. I don't have a lot to do on that. We'll leave this one here at the shop. I don't really need it today. I hope. You know how that is as soon as you say that. Okay.